Okay, the next part of the process is installing the upper and bottom guide tracks. This is a two-person job, at least on the top. The parts have been pre-cut to the opening width that we just got done measuring, and we're going to install those. There are pre-drilled holes in the track, roughly every 18 inches. So you simply count how many openings that you've got, and then we recommend a 2-inch long wood screw with a head that doesn't protrude too deep into the operating area of the door itself, okay? So we're gonna take this door, or take this top track. Most installations, you put the top track flush with the front of the wall. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, now that we've got the top track installed, we're going to go put the bottom track down as well. This is a peel and stick application. You just need to place it, peel back a little bit of the double-sided tape, and then pull it apart as you lay the track down. So we're going to start that now. We're going to flip it upside down, flush with the front of the closet, just like the top track. Okay, keep yours kind of high till I get mine down, all right? Okay, mine is flush. And I'm going to center it. Okay, you can drop yours now. Don't push it all the way. And then what we'll do is we'll pull these as we go. And we're kind of just going back through and pressing to make sure that it's nice and tight. And once you've got all the double-sided adhesive backing off, just go back and make sure it's nice and tight to your floor.